Hey, it's Brayden again from Mad Dog Cycles, and we're going to be going over the Gold service package, what it is, why you should consider it, and when you should bring your bike in to get serviced. So what's included with the Gold service package? The major points are a lot of the same that we've already talked about with the Bronze and Silver. So when you originally drop your bike off, we'll do a multi-point inspection, checking all the wear items, brake pads, bearings, all the things like that. The main thing that makes the Gold different from the Silver and Bronze is that we'll do a full bike detail. So we'll take basically everything off your bike, clean it, polish it, make it look like it's brand new. That includes cleaning out your pivot hardware on a full suspension bike, cleaning out the headset, making sure your bottom bracket's all nice and shiny and clean. And it also includes the same things as a Silver. So we'll take your drivetrain off, everything, clean it up in the parts washer. We'll overhaul the bearings in your headset and in your bottom bracket and hub. And then the things that are kind of common between all these is that we'll make sure your brakes are adjusted properly if you have cable brakes. Any shifting adjustment when we put everything back on your bike after we've cleaned it. Same thing as a Silver, we'll torque all the hardware on your bike if you have any. And then same thing, lube your chain, make sure everything's working good in that way. And then we do a test ride and then a QC to make sure that we did everything and it's not gonna fall apart on you. And then with the MTB packages, at least for the Gold, we'll do the same thing as the Silver. So brake bleeds and a tubeless recharge. And then it also includes a lower service on the shock and the fork if you have both those on your bike. So why should you consider getting a Gold service package? So the Gold is great because you get all the benefits of a Silver service package with the addition of us overhauling your bike as much as we can. So that means that your suspension is going to work better, bottom bracket, your hubs are going to run smoother, your bike's going to have less noise, it'll get rid of most of the creaking that you have there. And so it basically makes your bike almost like new. And with the Gold service, we also offer the mountain bike package, which includes brake bleeds, tubeless recharge, and then service on both the fork and shock. They're just important to make sure that you're, especially for mountain bikes, that they're in good working order, that you've got your tires will stay inflated, brakes work right, and that your suspension's working smooth. So once you get a Gold service package, generally we recommend about annually, so once a year. That can kind of depend on how much you ride, but if you have any questions about any of the service packages, just bring your bike in, we can do an inspection and kind of give you our recommendation. If you guys have any other questions, just leave them in the comments down below and we'll cover them in future videos. We'll see you soon.